Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into the Teero app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Teero app connects dental hygienists with flexible work shift at dental clinic, letting you pick the days and times you want to work and even request partial shift. It shows details like pay rate, office photos, and software used, making it easy to choose roles that match your schedule. On the downside, some users mention a tricky onboarding process and occasional glitches when signing up or managing shift requests. While Teero is definitely worth using if you are a hygienist wanting flexibility and control, there is a learning curve, so try a few shifts first to make sure it works perfect for you. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.